So I'm going into Costco today, and I heard, as we all know, they've got these scanners at the front door. They won't let you into the Costco without scanning your card, even if you're just going in to buy some food, or in my case right now, use the bathroom. So I'm just curious if they're gonna scan me before I go shopping. Let's see. So they don't have a scanner on the exit door, but let's see. I got through. Use the bathroom real quick. Now it's time to actually scan my card at the front and grab a cart. Hello.
Yeah, there you go.
Thank you.
So your hand is blocked.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. By the way, I'm at a business Costco. If this place looks a little different, this is a middle section where normally there'd be clothes and couches and whatnot, but you've got all this gum because this is where the restaurant owners and the store owners come, because it's a business Costco. I've been hearing from people that not only do you have to scan your card to get into the entrance, but even if you want to go get food at the food court or use a bathroom, at a business Costco, they don't have a food court. I did use a bathroom. They probably are a little bit more lax here. You have to scan your membership card. They didn't have it at our Costco for a while, and they just finally implemented it. So I think you have to go everywhere. I was curious why you have to scan your membership card in the first place. And I guess people were abusing the system. They were sharing their cards with other people, hence people weren't paying the membership. Costco's were getting kind of crazy busy and packed. They had to have the scanners right at the front rather than scanning you at the checker stand, which kind of makes sense, because say you get up to a checker stand and they scan your card and they realize you're not the person that actually owns a membership, then all that goes down at the check stand versus at the front entrance, where it's not going to be as much of a bother. So good for Costco. And this is where you'd see all the Christmas decorations at a normal Costco. They've got tons and tons of drink options. This is the first thing I'm here to actually purchase, which are drinks for the studio, specifically sparkling water. Me and Judy, we work together at the studio now, and we drank all the sparkling water, all the kombucha. Literally, there's just beer in there. We don't make a habit of drinking beer while we work, so I'm here to get some stuff that you can't get at a regular Costco. Like this right here, San Pellegrino. So you probably are used to seeing this big bottled, plastic bottled San Pellegrino, or even the bigger ones. Where are the big ones? I think they're way at the other end here at the business Costco, because of course, restaurant owners are here. They have these tiny little 8-ounce bottles, which are perfect, not only for if you just want something refreshing while working, but something for guests. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a whole pack of these. What's funny is Judy, she prefers Topo Chico over San Pellegrino, but she rarely ever drinks her Topo Chico because the Topo Chico they carry here at Costco is 18 ounces. I think the average person would prefer that small little bottle because sometimes that's all you need. You don't even need a whole can. Speaking of 8 ounces, I love the little 8-ounce cans of soda, which is what we get when we do buy soda, even for guests, because same thing there. A lot of people, they don't even finish their sodas these days. So sparkling water, sodas, I prefer the smaller bottles, smaller portion, smaller can. Right here is the can I'm talking about. In fact, I'm gonna pick up a pack since I'm here. I don't think you can get this at a regular Costco either, but it's perfect, especially for kids. We don't let our kids drink a lot of soda, but when we do, we prefer these smaller cans for them as well. Speaking of the scanners, I saw this channel, this really cool channel called the Costco Dude, and I forget his name, but he was talking about the scanners. He's an employee, I believe, of Costco. Can you believe there's a channel that literally all it is somebody talking about Costco? Now I know there's these other guys called the Costco guys, but they're like TikTokers, more for entertainment. This other channel is literally just all Costco information. And he was pretty thorough when he was talking about scanners, because I was curious before I even got here why they had scanners at Costco entrances. Now found out some fun facts. The first thing I'll say, when I first started YouTube in 2008, if you told me there was going to be a YouTube channel where literally it's just all Costco facts and a guy that works at Costco talking into a camera, like talking head video with a nice mic and just spewing out fun facts and information about Costco, I wouldn't have believed you. And Lee, it's wild. Now you can find a YouTube channel for everything. Anyways, to the Costco dude, thank you. One thing I found out from his video is at some Costco's, you don't have to show your membership if you're buying booze or you're going to the pharmacy. So if you're going to get medicine, you're gonna buy some liquor, I guess you don't have to show your membership. You don't have to be a member, and you can go in, buy those things. You can't buy anything else, but you can get in without a membership card. Secondly, he mentioned if you have a gift card, so if I give a gift card to somebody, they don't have to be a member, which is really cool. I didn't even know that. Kind of makes sense because they want more people to shop at Costco and try it out and maybe become a member. Third, Uber Eats or Instacart, people that shop for other people, they can also get in without a membership, but they just have to show their app and they have to show the purchase. I don't know how all that works. I always wondered whenever I did not Uber, but Instacart and ordered things from Costco, how they got in if they didn't have a membership. So maybe that's how they do it. Like I said, Judy's favorite, Topo Chico, but they only have the big bottles. Oh, 16 flow ounces, so stand corrected, but still, she never finishes a whole bottle. When they first started having the scanners at different Costco's I would enter, I'd ask the employee that's standing there at the scanner if they've ever stopped somebody, and every single time they say, yeah, we've actually stopped a few people, which is wild because my logic is just pay for the membership. It's not even that much. I think you can get a membership for 60 bucks. So I'm kind of glad they have the scanners, but it's wild to me that people would try to sneak into a Costco. Maybe it's not that surprising though, because Costco is amazing. It's pretty crazy. Speaking of a YouTube channel, the only reason somebody like me can vlog or somebody can have a Costco channel like the Costco dude is because there's this obsession about Costco. People just love Costco. Not just the food. Obviously, I always vlog what I'm shopping for, but a lot of people, they just like Costco clothing, which I didn't even know was a thing until just recently. Guess it's really affordable. Just Costco deals. Costco deals videos literally go viral every time these people put them out. That makes sense now that I think about it, why somebody would sneak into a Costco and not pay for the membership, but seriously, that's kind of how it works. One thing I've heard, and tell me if this is correct, especially if you're the Costco dude or work at a Costco, Costco doesn't make a lot of money on items, on products. They literally make money on the membership, and that's how they can offer such great value or wholesale prices on the things they sell, because the way they make money is from the memberships. So if somebody's trying to cheat the system and not pay for the membership, you're cheating us out. Come on. By the way, toilet paper is back. I wonder if toilet paper here at the business Costco is more regularly available. Whenever I shop here at the business Costco, my carts look way different because they don't have a couple of things here. Business Costco's, I mentioned they don't have any clothes or couches or furniture. They also don't have a bakery, and they don't have booze. So you can't buy alcohol here. I think maybe it has to do with something with Washington state law, which, by the way, that whole thing I mentioned earlier about being able to go into a Costco without a membership to buy booze or go to pharmacy, I believe it depends on the state. Here in Washington though, at a business Costco, you can't buy liquor, not even wine or beer. And it has to do with how our liquor laws are. But they also don't have a bakery. So where there'd be a bakery back there, it's literally just a giant fridge, which I'm gonna go into here in a second. Toronto ham. You get the little display that holds up the whole, I guess you would call this a leg. That whole thing, 99 bucks, and we got a lot of it, maybe for the holidays. That's what it looks like right there. You just slice off the top. Got yourself some Toronto ham at home. One of my favorite items here at the business Costco that you can't get at any other Costco is this right here. Their Hum Probiotic Kombucha. I mean, I don't know why they say probiotic. All kombucha has probiotics because it is fermented. But what I like about this is they got both the blackberry and the mango passion fruit. They only have mango passion fruit in their other packs. But here they got the blackberry too, so I like variety. Oh yeah, another thing I like about it, less sugar. Gotta be careful because kombucha can pack a lot of sugar. That's how it ferments. Add sugar with tea leaves and some other ingredients. I think some kind of starter. And so the sugars get eaten at and then creates the probiotics. I forget how it works, but yeah, a lot of kombuchas check the sugar amount. Not that big of a deal if you're not drinking very often and kombucha is healthier for you. But why not get the one with less sugar? Hum Kombucha. Look for it. All right. Got the toilet paper, drinks for studio. Oh yeah, I need to get snacks. Yeah, and some other food too. So another benefit of having the scanner at the front is the fact that it reminds you to renew your Costco membership, because if you get the renewal rate, it's cheaper than if you let it expire and then renew or try to renew. I don't know. I think that's one of the things. As I mentioned before, Costco makes money on the membership fees. That's how they can offer the prices. Important that you renew your membership before it expires. Maybe grab some pasta. We rarely ever eat any other pasta outside of this stuff that you can get here at Costco. Who grew up on the green cap stuff. Old school Parmesan. By the way, this sriracha is my new favorite sriracha. There's so many other brands now. The original was kind of out of stock for a while. I don't know exactly what happened, but all these wannabe srirachas came on the scene and I wasn't buying any of them. But then the farm that grew the peppers for the original company, they made their own kind of copycat version, way better, spicier, punchier, just hits better. So the sriracha that they sell at Costco, highly recommend it. We still have a bottle, so I don't need any today. But you know what I put that sriracha into? This ramen right here. In my opinion, these are the best noodles, instant noodles you can buy at Costco. The tonkotsu, which is not to be confused with tonkatsu. There's a O right here, not an A. It's still pork based, but yeah. Grab this stuff too. Kids love this. So Halloween is past us, but if you want to be that cool house that offers king size candy bars, Business Costco is the place to get it. They've got all these options I do believe you can't get at a normal Costco. This is a commercial grade deep fryer because a lot of restaurant owners come here. They have appliances that restaurants use, which is really cool. Funny enough, is actually really good for at home use too. The reason I want this outside of the fact that we deep fry a lot is it has this whole deep frying system. It's got these little baskets right here. So if you want to deep fry 2 different things at once, or if you need to deep fry a lot, they got this one big basket. What I like about this guy is it seems to me it's easy to clean. Because look at this. So see this little element? This thing has obviously a temperature gauge. Can keep your oil really hot and keep it at a constant temperature while you're deep frying. But what's the #1 complaint about deep frying? The cleanup. I just realized something as I'm looking at this. You can take the element out. This is what keeps the oil hot. And then this right here, this container, you can just take out like this and then dump out your oil. I wonder if this is dishwasher safe. I mean, it's still way easier to clean this compared to a big pot because I use this huge Staub pot, which is really heavy and it's really annoying to clean, especially when it's all oily and nasty. But this, that's nice. It is expensive, but this will probably last you a really long time. I always like getting commercial grade stuff if I can afford it. And yeah, if it was just for our family, maybe not, but we entertain a lot of people and sometimes we have parties, especially like lumpia and french fries, just to be able to have your oil in one place. We use our oil probably 2 or 3 times, especially if it's something like beef fat. And the cleanup on this would be way easier. It's got a little timer on here. Obviously control the temperature, 350. It's pretty cool. Maybe for Christmas. I like that they have a lid. So for when you're done, you can remove the handles off the baskets. I just looked it up on Google and it is dishwasher safe. Just the baskets and the oil container. All right, so the bill today, 138 bucks. Not bad. Time to go home. If you guys can check out our Business Costco, check it out. You'll like it. For the drinks and the snacks, no clothes, no booze, no bakery. Make sure you renew your membership.